Is one of your AirPods louder than the other while the other is super quiet? This issue is usually caused by an audio balance setting or a connection glitch. Don't worry, there are some easy fixes for this. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick ways to restore the balance and get both AirPods working perfectly. Solution 1. Check audio balance. If one AirPod sounds louder than the other, your audio balance settings might be off. Open your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the Hearing section, tap Audio/Visual. Here, scroll down and look for the balance slider. It controls how sound is split between the left and right AirPods. If the slider is even slightly off to one side, your audio will feel unbalanced. Slide it to the middle so both AirPods get equal volume. You'll also see a switch labeled Mono Audio. Make sure this is turned off. Mono mixes both channels into both ears, which can actually reduce stereo clarity. After adjusting the slider and mono setting, try playing some music or a podcast. Both AirPods should now sound even. This setting often gets overlooked, but it can make a huge difference. Now, if this did not solve your problem, you can try this next solution. This will surely help your issue. Solution 2. Reset the AirPods. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPod models, you'll need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After that time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. For the model I'm holding, it has a touch response, so if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case, then you'll have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time, it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, go to your iPhone and open the Settings app, tap Bluetooth on My Devices, then tap the eye icon next to it and forget the device. Once it's forgotten, try to connect the AirPods and see if it works. Hopefully this time your problem should be fixed. If this video helped you fix your problem, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful solutions like this. Thanks so much for watching.